guess you're wasting ease of mine. I must be favored to know, yeah. I take my hands and trace your lines. It's the way that you can ride. It's the way that you can ride. Think I'm meant to win another life, so break me up another time. You wrap around me and you give me life, and that's why night after night I'll be fucking you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know night after night I'll be fucking you right 7 days a week.
This is the first tour na sobrang jam-packed but sobrang sulit talaga. Ikaw ang susuko with everything that they have offered. Sulit na sulit talaga.
Smooth naman po from airport until arrival po. Everything is smooth and maganda po yung hotel, magandang location.
It's the way that you can ride. It's the way that you can ride. Think I'm meant to win another life, so break me up another time. You wrap around me and you give me life, and that's why night after night I'll be fucking you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Kahit na full pack tayo, super masaya naman and lahat almost napuntahan.
Every minute, every second, you know night after night I'll be fucking you right 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know night after night I'll be fucking you right 7 days a week.
Masayang masaya, we had lots of fun. We went to different places. I want to go to Everland again.
Right, nako, very exciting at saka wonderful. It was a very wonderful experience because I like best Nami Island, the Seoul Tower. I like the BTS cafe because the owner, Oma Christina, was very accommodating, very joyful, jolly, encouraging us to come back to Korea again.
Speechless, in awe, best experience ever, the best tour ever.
Night after night, I'll be fucking you right 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. Night after night, I'll be fucking you right 7 days a week.
Well, I think everything was memorable, but of course, all the BTS places that we went to.
Most memorable aside from mga BTS location spots, Gyeongbokgung Palace and Nami Island. Siyempre, first time po in Korea and yun, ang ganda ng season kasi ngayon. Sakto, autumn.
Most memorable, probably all the K-drama itineraries, especially the Yildan Sikdang. Kasi doon mapifeel mo na yung hirap ng BTS, especially nung papunta pa lang tayo.
Definitely. I'm thinking about joining the Japan tour next year.
Yes, 100%.
I think highly recommended for my friends.
Yes, i-recommend ako siya sa mga friends.
Of course, if ever I have to join again another tour to Korea, I would recommend and I would join again Sulit Tour Destination. Kasi sulit na sulit! Time, effort, money, sulit na sulit.
하나부터야 같이 모든 게 특별하지 너희가 심사걸음거리 말투와 사소한 작은 습관들 같이 난 말했지 너무 작다 내가 영웅이 된 거라고 난 말했지 운명 따윈 전부터 내게 아니었다고 세계의 평화 어디 앉아서 그저 널 지켜봐 날 baby 나는 저 하늘을 높이 날고 있어
Thank you, Sulit Dream Destination, Sulit na Sulit.
Thank you, SBD, for letting me to fulfill my K-drama dreams. Sulit na sulit.
Thank you, Sulit Dreams Destination. Sulit na sulit talaga.